In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on Alibaba. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from search to secure checkout without missing anything important. First, open your web browser and search for Alibaba. You should see the official Alibaba site near the top. Look for the familiar logo and the .com domain, and check for the secure padlock in the address bar. That ensures you're on the legitimate site before you enter any personal or payment details. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. Logging in helps you see accurate shipping estimates, save your address, and use secure checkout. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile at the top. Now, find what you need by typing clear keywords into the search bar, or browse the featured categories on the homepage. Simple, specific terms work best. Think stainless steel water bottle 500 ml rather than something vague. When you spot a promising item in the results, click the product to open its details page. On the product page, take a moment to explore thoroughly. Review the supplier's profile to see their ratings, years in business, and any verification or trade assurance badges. Read recent buyer reviews for insights on quality and shipping reliability. Confirm the materials, available sizes or colors, and note any minimum order quantity. Pay attention to pricing per variation, as the displayed price range may change based on color, size, or quantity. If a delivery window or production lead time is listed, make sure it matches your needs. When you're satisfied, choose the exact variation you want, such as size, color, or model, and enter your desired quantity. Then click Start Order. This adds the item to your order with the specific options you selected. Next, add your shipping address. Include your full name or company name, street address, city, state or region, postal code, and a valid email for order updates. Double-check everything for accuracy, then click Continue to Payment. You'll now add and choose a payment method. Alibaba supports secure options like major credit and debit cards and other regionally available methods. Enter your details carefully and keep your transaction within Alibaba's checkout for protection and tracking. Before you finalize, review every part of the order: the product, selected variation, quantity, unit price, shipping cost, estimated delivery window, and any taxes or fees. If it all looks right, click Pay Now. You'll receive confirmation on screen and by email, and you can track your purchase in your order's dashboard. That's it. You've successfully placed an order on Alibaba.